but clearly this is something that we are in fact witnessing right now in West Bengal. Visuals of the attack on Kalyan Banerjee are now emerging. Security officials are seen surrounding him after the alleged attack. So we are in fact bringing those visuals to you. That is Kalyan Banerjee. He is on the ground over there. Security officials are surrounding him. These are visuals after the attack. Kalyan Banerjee over here holding his head. So I believe he is alleging that he has been attacked on his head. You can see that's the moment where he is on the ground. Then he falls on the ground, and he is alleging that he was in fact attacked on his head. And the police forces, you can see security forces are all surrounding him, and before that his supporters were around him. They were supporting him over there. They were helping him stand up. However, he then unfortunately falls to the ground. So that's the video that we have got for you. These are visuals right after the attack. This is an attack that is claimed by the TMC leader Kalyan Banerjee. You can see that there is heavy security police personnel over there on the ground right after the attack. So these visuals are of right after the attack. Now remember that Kalyan Banerjee had in fact gone to Hooghly. He had gone to submit a memorandum to the Chanditala police station, and he is alleging that's when protesters in fact surrounded him. They brandished black flags and even assaulted him. So these are allegations that are coming to the fore from TMC leader Kalyan Banerjee as well. All right, let's in fact get in some more information flowing our way. Kalyan Banerjee has now spoken out after he was allegedly attacked in Hooghly. He stated, and I quote here, that I was coming alone. There was no one with me. BJP members used abusive language and hit me on the head with a ball. My head is bleeding. Now police will decide whether it is right or wrong that MPs are being continuously targeted. Let's listen in.
বাংলার এই পরিবর্তন আনতে চেয়েছিলেন আমরা কি আপনারা কি বাংলার এই পরিবর্তন আনতে চেয়েছিলেন আমরা কি
All right, let me go across to my colleague Renik Datta, who is with us on this broadcast. Renik, Kalyan Banerjee की फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट आई है राइट आफ्टर द अटैक. वो कह रहे हैं कि एमपीज भी सेफ नहीं है, मैं अकेला था वहाँ पर, मेरे सर पे अटैक किया गया है, और यहाँ पर वो बहुत सारे एलिगेशंस लगा रहे हैं. Let me go across to my colleague Malvika Pandey, who is with us now for more on this. Malvika, this is the first statement coming out from Kalyan Banerjee right after he has alleged an attack in Hooghly.
Absolutely, Shivani. What we're seeing now is this alleged attack on the TMC MP in Hooghly. Now, it's also important to note that Kalyan Banerjee had gone to Hooghly in order to submit a deputation with regards to post-poll violence, which is in fact very similar to Abhishek Banerjee, who had gone to Sonarpur to meet with victims of post-poll violence. And that is where we're seeing that he is alleging this attack on him. Visuals have also emerged where he can be seen surrounded by a lot of protesters who are raising slogans. There were some black flags reportedly that were also raised in the area, and you can see security deployment over there and security forces surrounding the MP after he fell down following the alleged attack. Now, he has also made this statement where he has said that TMC MPs are being attacked, and he has again, like Abhishek Banerjee, pinned the responsibility on the BJP, saying that they are behind this, they are the ones who are orchestrating these attacks on TMC leaders. So that is the sort of back and forth that we're seeing, while many BJP leaders, including Agnimitra Paul and Dilip Ghosh, they've all denied any sort of linkage of the party with this attack or the attack on Abhishek Banerjee. So that sort of a political back and forth is also currently ongoing, and we do have here Kalyan Banerjee's first statement following this alleged attack on him. Yes, Shivani, back to you.
All right, Malvika, thank you so much for all that information. Let me also go across to my colleague Rainik Datta, who's with us on this broadcast. Rainik, टीएमसी के जो नेता हैं कल्याण बैनर्जी, वो अलेज कर रहे हैं कि उन्हें अटैक किया गया है। वो कह रहे हैं कि एमपीज भी सेफ नहीं है। उन्होंने कहा कि एक बॉल से उनके सर पे मारा गया। ही ऑल्सो वो अलेज कर रहे हैं कि ब्लीडिंग भी हो रही थी। ये जो स्टेटमेंट आ रहे हैं उसके बारे में बताएं आप।
अभिषेक बनर्जी के बाद अभी कल्याण बनर्जी की तरफ से आरोप लगाया जा रहा है कि बीजेपी की तरफ से उनके ऊपर हमला किया गया है। कल्याण बनर्जी का कहना है कि वो जब मेमोरेंडम जमा करने के लिए जा रहे थे कि इस दौरान ही उनके ऊपर हमला किया गया। उनके सर में बॉल फेंका गया है और उसमें उनका सर में के खून में निकल रहा था, ऐसा उनकी तरफ से कहा जा रहा है। उनकी तरफ से ये भी क्लेम किया जा रहा है कि वो पूरा घटना बीजेपी का हाथ है, बीजेपी कर्मियों की तरफ से ये किया गया है, ऐसा उनकी तरफ से आरोप लगाया जा रहा है।
जी बिल्कुल, रैनिक आप हमारे साथ बने रहे। इनफैक्ट वी हैव सम मोर इंफॉर्मेशन फ्लोइंग आवर वे। Locals are now refuting claims about the attack on TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee. They are saying that Kalyan Banerjee has not been injured at all. तो रैनिक जो लोकल्स वहां पर प्रेजेंट हैं वो तो कुछ और ही कह रहे हैं। उनकी स्टेटमेंट ये आ रही है कि कल्याण बैनर्जी पे अटैक नहीं हुआ है, वो इंजर नहीं हुए हैं।
एकदम देखिए, जो लोकल से जो लोग उधर देखे थे घटना को, वो घटना देखते हुए उनके कहना है कि कल्याण बनर्जी की तरफ से ड्रामा किया जा रहा है। कल्याण बनर्जी की तरफ से सिंपैथी करने की कोशिश किया जा रहा है, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर कोई हमला भी नहीं है और उनके ऊपर वो किसी भी तरीके से घायल भी नहीं हुए हैं, ऐसा लोगों की तरफ से दावा किया जा रहा है। दूसरी तरफ अगर देखा जाए तो कल्याण बनर्जी की तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि बीजेपी की तरफ से उनके ऊपर हमला किया गया है, एमपी भी सेफ नहीं है, ऐसा उनकी तरफ से कहा जा रहा है। और इसके साथ साथ उनकी तरफ से ये भी आरोप है कि कल जिस तरीके से अभिषेक बनर्जी के ऊपर हमला किया गया था, आज उनके ऊपर बीजेपी कर्मी संस्थाओं की तरफ से हमला किया गया है। और मगर जो लोकल लोग हैं, जो लोग उधर मौजूद थे, उनकी तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि इस तरीके का कोई घटना नहीं घटा है। कल्याण बनर्जी किसी भी तरीके से घायल नहीं हुए हैं, उनके ऊपर कोई हमला नहीं हुआ है।